Like, it doesn't smell bad, like it feels great. But I decided a long time ago on my channel that I was gonna do this test for all hair. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kim back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by title, we are going to be unboxing a wig that True Indian Hair sent me. Thank you so much to them for sending me this wig. I did not pay for this wig. I am not being paid for this content, but you guys know if you've come to my channel, you are going to get the real, raw, honest truth. Before we get into the video, if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for post notifications, like the video. I think I dropped gems on here, but you know, we wanna grow. We're on our way to 10K, so just, you know, help me get there. So initially, when let's just adjust this camera. I want y'all to be able to see this. Oh, that's more like it. All right. So initially, when I asked them for like a wig for a review, I can't remember. I asked them. They asked me. They might have, I don't remember how it went. However, I was like, oh, can I do like a blonde wig, like a bob? And then eventually I had no need for a blonde wig. So I was just like, yeah, you know, just surprise me. And the reason I said surprise me is because I feel as though, I mean, I can finesse anything. This is packaged very, very well. I can finesse anything. So whatever you send me, I'm going to be able to make it work, make it look good. You know, I mean, you guys have been on my channel. You guys have seen my handiwork. All right, that's more like it. Y'all, hair really excites me. Excited. We know it's not blonde. It comes in this really, really nice box. Packaging is everything, and I definitely like it. So I'm probably gonna reach out to them in a DM and put the information up here as to the deets on the actual wig. So they send you, oh, this box is silk lined too. That means I can store hair in here because, you know, it'll protect it. But they send you their luxury version hair boutique. I've always liked that they do this. It shows you all the textures of the hair that they carry. So I definitely like that. It also has like their locations, their contact information, their social media accounts. So definitely something that I like. I don't think I've ever really seen another hair company show you the different hair textures that they have as a pamphlet in the actual packaging. So I definitely like that, because if you don't have, I don't want to say have access to the website, because you know it's 2023, a lot of us have access to a website. At least you can look at the pamphlet and see, hey, this is what this texture looks like. So, oh, this is a bob. Y'all don't know how long I've been wanting about. Oh, it has a tag, and the tag is going to tell you. So it's true. Oh, this is HD late. Sorry. Y'all know I get excited. This is HD lace. And it's, oh, it's given, the last wig that I got from them, it was a brown lace, and I was like, I didn't realize until after like me wearing it, like I didn't have to tint the lace. The lace just automatically matched my skin complexion. And this is given, like, it's not, not in a bad way, but it's not giving that transparent HD lace. It's giving like brown tone HD lace. Maybe I can find a piece of paper so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Like, it's not why does my camera look like it's overexposed? All right, but it's just given, I don't know if you guys can see, it looks brown. I feel like what is my lighting off? My lighting might be off. I don't know if that's any better. Content creator struggles, but I don't know if you guys can see, the lace is not, I don't know, it's just, it has a slight tint of brown. Y'all don't know how bad I wanted a bob. This is why you just, I don't say like take what you get, but you know, you'll get what you are supposed to get. So this is 14-inch. Color is 1N, and the size is medium. It's straight HD lace, 13x6 frontal. It doesn't say like what the origin of the hair is, but I don't mind. Sometimes I like a bone straight wig, so we're gonna try this on And I'm also going to put what the wig retails for up in the description. Like I said, once I reach out to them, I'll get more details on that. But y'all, she is looking good. I know y'all see that. Look at this. I'm telling you, there's a reason that I've been buying. I don't want to tell y'all exactly the year that I got hair from them, because I don't want y'all to figure it out, like my age and stuff. But it's been more than 10 years I've been getting hair from True Indian Hair, and it just, I don't know, I don't say it never ceases to amaze me, but it's always a win for me. So it has like this, oh, I like this, the wider comb in the back. They have smaller combs, but I find the wider comb in the back fits a little bit better. I'll probably put a comb here in the middle just for my personal preference. Sometimes the wig slides back. I'm not saying that's going to be the case with this. But yeah, I just like that extra peace of mind, because we want to be out here with the wig sliding off. Am I doing something wrong? Oh, move the elastic band. Ooh, this is different. The elastic in the back has like silicone grips on it, which I'm certain is going to make sure that it's extra secure. Let's slow this down a little bit. I'm trying to, I don't want it too tight. Give your girl a headache. All right, let's try it like this. Why am I having so many technical difficulties? I think this is their ready to wear collection. Oh, that is it, baby. Y'all know I normally tint. Ooh, it's giving mysterious. Yes. Oh yes. This is perfect. It feels like 150% density and not knocking anybody. This is what I expect from a bob. Like, I don't want to see all the short pieces. When I think of a bob, a 14-inch bob, I am of the understanding that it's going to be 14 inches from here to here, and it's going to be a blunt cut, but I'm not going to have, like, y'all know what I'm talking about. If y'all been on my channel, then you know one of the last wigs that I unboxed, it was 14 inches, and I don't mind it being a little bit more of a natural fullness in the front, but I don't want it to be an angle in the front. Like, I expect it to be like the same length in the front, same length in the back, all the way around. That's, to me, is the definition of a bob. And this is definitely giving that. Like, I want to cut the lace off of it. Wait a minute. Normally when I have like a, wait, hold up. Sorry. I'm a little excited, right? Y'all know how I get about hair. Y'all, look at this hairline. Y'all know I don't like to pluck, but do y'all see that hairline? Oh yeah, baby, this is it. Like, I feel, and I love a glueless wig, and I don't feel like I have to glue this down. It's like a perfect fit. I low-key want to cut the lace off, but I also want to install it and sleep in the wig. The last wig that I had from them, I did actually end up sleeping in it for a week. People asked, and I just kind of forgot that I did, but it held up very well over time. I just like how nice and light it feels. Like, I just can't get over it. I really can't. Yo, this is a nice wig. Oh, this is a nice wig. I feel like I don't have to do anything to this hair. I think that's what I like about it the most. Like, I feel as though a bob should be like effortless, and that's definitely what this wig is giving. It's giving effortless. Now, if you guys haven't already checked them out, and obviously I'm not being paid to make this content like I mentioned in the video, I say what I say, good, bad, indifferent. This wig was sent to me. I didn't pay for the wig. But if you guys haven't checked them out, you definitely should. They are one of my top hair companies for a reason. So they're one of the companies that I recommend to a lot of people who follow me and support my channel and watch my videos, because who else can you say you've been consistently getting hair from for over 10 years and it's consistently been good? I'll wait. Right. So, I will do a 1 week update. It'll be a little bit before I can put that content out for you guys, because I'm in the middle of doing another review. But, you know, with spring coming up and summer coming up, y'all gonna see your girl bobbing. 2 days later. Okay. So it's been 2 days. I don't know if you can kind of see like the reddish gray hairs that I'm seeing. I'm not sure if this hair has been processed. I tried looking up the description on their website, but like, it doesn't smell bad, like it feels great. But I decided a long time ago on my channel that I was gonna do this test for all hair. It's supposed to be Indian hair, so we'll also be able to see if it has a wave pattern once I've done the wash. But let's just get into it. So you know, Dawn, baking soda, and hot water. Waiting for the water to get hot. Oh, it feels so silky. Oh, it feels so silky. I have no idea how silky this hair feels. It's curling up. Oh, I'm happy about that. I'm so happy about that. I am getting like a very mild chemical smell. Yeah, I'm getting a slight chemical smell. So look at this texture, y'all. Oh, I love the texture. The hair is very silky. I was wondering if like it was supposed to be like bone straight. I don't like bone straight hair. I like hair with a little bit of texture, and you guys see the minute that I wet it, the texture showed right up. I mean, you guys will see with the findings. You know, we'll let this sit for an hour in this mix, and see what happens. All right. Let's see what time it is now. I think it's like 10:30 a.m. It's 10:37 a.m. So I'll be back at 11:40 to see what happens with this mix. But the hair feels really good. So it's been an hour, and let's see what we have. All right. I thought it wasn't gonna be like that. Okay. I thought for a minute I was wrong, because when I looked at it, I came upstairs, I'm like, all right, the water doesn't look like there's any sort of like color in the water, so we're good. So after filming this portion of the video, I decided to reach out to True Indian Hair with my findings, and they were able to confirm that what I'm seeing is accurate. The hair may have been dyed if there were gray strands, just to make it look like it's all one color. It's something that they mentioned they do with some of their wigs, also with their bundles. This does not hinder you from being able to lift the hair to a high platinum blonde. But one thing I like was the honesty, the transparency. You know, there was no trying to deny my findings. As you guys know, I've gone through that before with other hair companies, so I could really appreciate that. This is the reason why they are one of my top hair companies. They're so underrated from all the other hair companies that are out there. I would highly recommend that you guys try them. The hair is extremely soft, and as you guys saw, it, you know, has a curl pattern that is definitely still there. I can't wait to do a 1-week update on this wig so that you guys can see my experience. But this is what you want in a hair company, so if you haven't checked them out, make sure you do. Whip out a measuring tape and a heartbeat. So I had to do that. So I just took it out of that wash, and I was like, this is not looking like it's 6 inches. It's looking like it's more. It is almost 7 inches of parting space. I mean, if you leave a little bit to cover the top track or weft, whatever you call it, then 6.5 inches, but very deep parting space, especially for a bob. So if you see me out here in this wig, you know, it's just giving effortless. So I will come back to you guys when I have a 1-week update. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Help my channel grow. We're on our way to 10K. But that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.